Life is a journey. We all carry experiences, some happy, some painful. Holding on to negativity from the past holds us back. Let go. Embrace the present moment. When negativity surrounds you, find a quiet space. It could be a room in your home, a peaceful corner in a park, or even a quiet spot in your office. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest, and bringing in fresh energy. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale. Let go of any tension as you breathe out. Repeat this several times, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into relaxation. Feel the calmness wash over you. Notice how your body and mind begin to relax, finding peace in the simple act of breathing. Embrace this tranquility and carry it with you throughout your day. Affirmations are powerful tools for change. Write down positive statements about yourself. I am strong. I am capable. I am worthy. Repeat these affirmations daily, believing in their truth. Visualization is a powerful technique for release. It allows you to harness the power of your mind to create a sense of calm and peace within yourself. Close your eyes and imagine a balloon filled with all your negativity, stress, and worries. Picture it vividly in your mind. As you release the balloon, feel your worries float away with it. Watch as it ascends higher and higher, taking your burdens far away. This exercise helps create a sense of lightness and freedom. By visualizing the release of your worries, you can experience a profound sense of relief and tranquility. Our surroundings impact our energy. A simple ritual can cleanse your space and mind. Light a candle. Use essential oils like lavender or sage. Visualize negativity being replaced with positive energy. Every experience, positive or negative, offers a lesson. Practice gratitude for the wisdom gained. Write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This shifts your focus from negativity to appreciation. These simple practices can transform your mindset. By dedicating just a few moments each day to mindfulness, you can cultivate a sense of inner peace and clarity. Imagine starting your day with a calm mind, ready to face any challenge. By letting go of negativity, you open yourself to positivity. Releasing what no longer serves you allows space for new, uplifting experiences. Picture yourself walking on a serene beach, feeling the weight of the world lift off your shoulders. Embrace the journey. One breath, one thought, one moment at a time. Each mindful breath brings you closer to a state of tranquility and balance. Visualize yourself in a peaceful forest, breathing in the fresh air. One day at a time, you can build a life filled with moments of joy and serenity. Every sunrise is a new beginning, a chance to start afresh and embrace the beauty around you. You have the power within you to create a life filled with joy and peace. By nurturing your inner self, you can radiate positivity and happiness to those around you. Embrace this transformation and watch your world change for the better.